Hello, it's Kat, and today I have a very simple, beginners-friendly eyeliner technique to share with you. This is a little eye tutorial. I used my Salted Caramel palette from I Heart Makeup for this, and the very first thing I did was I went in with this shade that's called Sweet, and it's just like a really almost caramel-like color that I used to kind of map out the wing that I am doing in this look. And you can see I just kind of created a little bit of a shadow along my top lash line, and then I took the shade Tempt, which is just a black eyeshadow, and I used like a little tiny crease brush that comes to a point and kind of ran that along my lash line, and once again kind of mapped out a wing. And then I went in with a push liner brush or a flat liner brush. This one is from AOA Shop Miss A, but Elf also does one, and these are kind of a not too hard brush to find, and you can see I'm just pushing that into my top lash line. And then this is an important part. I'm using my lower lash line as a guide of where to put my wing, and I think this is a foolproof way to find your angle of your liner. There are different angles that you can do, obviously, but I feel like this one will almost always work. And you can see I put a little arrow there just because I'm showing the weight of the line is a little bit thicker kind of at that outer corner on the lower lash line. You can kind of see it there too, where I'm making sure it's connected and a little bit thicker there, because that kind of gives the whole, I don't want to say atmosphere, that's the only word I can think of. It gives the feel to the look where it's a little bit thicker there. It kind of makes it more of like a sultry vibe to the eye, kind of bringing that down in that corner. But you can see basically all I did was take that brush, line all the way around the eye with the eyeshadow, and then I used a pencil to kind of fill in any gaps and then also to tightline, and then I blended it out. And you can see I kind of built it up. That's how I like to do eye looks, and I just feel like this is a really pretty technique that I feel like I wanted to share. And then I put on these BH Cosmetics lashes. They're 301s, and these are nice. I need to wear these more. It's their studio lashes that they came out with not too long ago. And then I just put on a little bit of mascara, and that's the entire look. I did the rest of the look obviously off camera, and I hope you enjoy this look. I feel like it's kind of out of the ordinary for me, so hopefully you appreciate it, and I'll just let you see the finished look, and I'll see you later. Bye.